This little plant helped FARC rebels earn up to $3.5 billion a year. It's the base product for cocaine. The Marxist rebels control 70% of the coca growing area in Colombia. They agreed to abandon the trade as a condition of peace talks, and they started a joint crop replacement program with the government. But some farmers have gathered to guard their crops from the military.
There
are some things that we do not agree with, so we've decided to continue fighting until the government withdraws this proposal immediately. Because what they want to do is get rid of our crops quickly and continue with the same policies, which are to wipe out the region, not invest in it, and to continue diverting the money which should be invested in our lands, but which stays in their pockets.
Other farmers support the crop swap program but are concerned about their income. Some say alternative crops bring in less than a third of what coca crops did, an amount below the country's minimum wage.
We agree with voluntary eradication, but not with their sending the army to bulldoze our plantation. We agree with the eradication of this plantation, but the government has to give us some form of surviving here in the country, so that we do not live in extreme poverty, which we have always lived in.
FARC and the government say this program will benefit 50,000 families. They'll get monthly and one-off payments and further credits in return for preparing lands for legal crops.
The government has not discarded the option of forced eradication of these crops. The cost of forcefully eradicating 0.1 square kilometres of crop is around $6,822 just to eradicate it. So we believe that the substitution could be much more cost-effective and long-lasting than eradication.
FARC commander Pastor Alape says the swap will help integrate society after more than 50 years of internal conflict. But with FARC pulling out of such a lucrative trade, it's likely other criminal gangs will look to profit. Ben Tornquist, TRT World.